going to check the connection from your wall. Make sure you're getting some voltage. As you can see, we're getting 123. After that, we can go ahead and check the first connection on the charger. And keep in mind, all of these is gonna be on AC for this step. So then we're going to check. As you can see, we also have 123.3. After that, we're gonna plug in the charger cord to the box. And then on this step, you want to change your multimeter to DC. As you can see, it says DC on it. And we're going to check in here. Just try to put it in there, one of them, and just check. See right there, we're getting 58 volt. That's what's going through the charger and to the bike. And as you can see on the back of the charger, you have the output, which is 52 volt, and 58 is about the same. It's right. Anything lower than 52, it means that the charger is bad. Or you can check whether the charger box, the charger cord, or the outlet. See which of those three are giving you low voltage. Charger box is green. So for you to know that it's charging, once you plug it in, that light should turn red. That means it's charging. And it should turn solid green when it's fully charged. Okay, to test the battery on the bike, if it's healthy or is bad, you have to remove it with a key and remove the lock underneath as well. And you come here to the rear side of the battery, and you will have specification in here. So this middle one on the left is going to be your negative, and the middle one on your right is going to be your positive. We got the meter right here, and this is a 52 volt battery, so anything below 52 is going to be bad. And we can go ahead and check it out. So this battery is 55, it's a healthy battery, so you should be fine. You should have no problem with it.